Okay, 101, diamond problems. And again, this is really going to come in handy for what we do next. So master these, even though they seem easy. Let's do A and B. So we multiply -4 and -7, we get positive 28. We add them and we get negative 11, right? So that one's straightforward. This one is saying what times what is negative 12, and added gives me 4. So let's see what factors I can do for negative 12. I can get 1 and negative 12. Added doesn't give me negative 4. Negative 1 and 12. Added gives me 11, so still not good. Negative 2 and 6. Added gives me 4. So there we go. It's negative 2 and 6. Again, just start listing all the factors in order until you find the ones that work. Okay, let's do C and D. So C and D, here we go. So C is saying 1/2 times something equals -8, right? So if I multiply both sides by 2, right, I get negative 16. So this is negative 16. Then if I add, I get negative 15 and 1/2, right? Okay, and D, 1/2 times 1/5, right? 1/2 times 1/5 is 1/10, right? So 1/10. But added 1/2 plus 1/5, I need a common denominator, right? So that's 5/10 plus 2/10. That's 7/10, right? So 7/10 down there. And that's it.